Let's play some Mario Party 10 on my Wii U.
This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the EAS local station for the Vian City area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this has been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning, toxic material release, a nuclear plant incident in another state, or local emergencies that affect your safety, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This station serves the Vian City area. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system. All stations may now resume local programming.
What the heck? The emergency alert system just had to interrupt me in the middle of my game. That is just rude. That's it. I'm going to kill the man who is responsible for this.
Dry virtual virus. I don't know what the heck you're mad about, but you need to shut the heck up and stop whining like an idiot. It really annoys me when you always complain about crap.
Dad, please. I don't have time for your jokes right now. I am really angry right now.
Young man, what the heck are you doing here? And why do you have a pistol in front of my face?
Oh, shut your pie hole and don't move a muscle, you piece of crap. This is what you get for ruining my game of Mario Party 10 on my Wii U. So I'm going to kill you right now.
Oh my freaking god. Dry virtual virus. Why did you try to kill me in the first place? You know doing that can get you arrested. That does it. I'm going to give you a beating for trying to kill me.
Uh-oh. I better run.
Man. It sure is a great day to have a walk.
Help me. Somebody.
What is the problem? Dry virtual virus.
I got an emergency alert system reporter chasing after me to beat me up.
Don't worry, dry virtual virus. You can come into my house where it's safe, so we can go to my room and lock the doors.
Okay.
Hey. The door is locked. I will need some plans to break in. Oh. I think he's with dark dry virtual virus. I will break the door and then beat both of them up.
Quick. In my room.
Phew. That was close.
I know. Anyways, what do you want to do now?
Let's watch all Family Guy episodes on YouTube.
Okay. Those were some fantastic episodes.
I know, right? The most funniest part was the part where Peter was with the ice cream. Ha 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 ha.
What was that?
It's the emergency alert system reporter. He broke into your house. So I don't think we're alone.
Wait. Did you hear that?
Yes. It sounds like the emergency alert system reporter is coming upstairs to your room, so we better not. Dang it. We're busted.
Oh yes, you both are. Dark dry virtual virus. I can't believe you helped dry virtual virus hide into your house and into your room. That's it. Both of you, prepare to get beaten up by me.
Oh great. We're screwed. Totally screwed.
That really hurts a lot more.
I agree. It is very painful.
Hey. What the crap is going on over here?
Well, Dry Virtual Virus tried to kill me with a gun and I chased after him. And then, your son Dark Dry Virtual Virus helped Dry Virtual Virus hide into his room. I beat them up for what they did. Can you ground him for this?
Okay. Thank you for telling us about that, Microsoft Sam.
And as for you Dry Virtual Virus, go home now while I call your parents. Hello, Dry Virtual Virus parents, your son just tried to kill me with a gun. Can you ground him for this please? Okay. Thanks. Goodbye. Don't worry. I called Dry Virtual Virus parents so they will ground him for this.
Thank you, Microsoft Sam. You are free to go back to the EAS studio. Dark Dry Virtual Virus. We can't believe you helped Dry Virtual Virus hide into your room and got beaten up by the emergency alert system reporter. That's it. You are grounded for 925 months.
Now get up from the floor and go to bed now, or else we will send you to a European country.
Dry Virtual Virus. We just got a phone call from the emergency alert system reporter. He said that you tried to kill him with a gun. Why did you try to kill the emergency alert system reporter?
Because he interrupted me in the middle of my Mario Party 10, so that's why I tried to kill him to death, but no.
We don't give a crap about that. No excuses, young man. You are grounded for 989 months.
Now go upstairs to your room and think about what you've done, or else we will send you to a European country.
Dang it.
Wow.